Hello friends, in this video I will show how to change Grammarly to American English. So simple and easy way, just click on this G icon and in this drop down select your desired language like American, Canadian, Indian. So select American English. Now click anywhere or reopen your Chrome browser. Now again click on this G icon. So as we can see now, your desired language is selected. So this way guys, you can change Grammarly to American English. Thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.